In this video, we're going to configure the effects of our vocal microphones in Behringer X AIR. Select the FX panel in your Behringer X AIR. Enter all these values. I'm going to choose the minimum values for all our FX. We had properly configured the FX Hall Reverb in our vocal microphones.